Imagine sailing through an ocean of creamy, velvety cheese with macaroni boats bobbing all around. Welcome to the world of our exceptionally cheesy macaroni. Start by boiling 2 cups of macaroni until they're as tender as a baby's smile. In another pot, melt a generous slab of butter, about the size of a credit card. Stir in a cup of all-purpose flour and watch it bubble and hiss like a witch's brew. Next, pour in 3 cups of milk, slowly, like a secret being whispered. Stir until it's smoother than a jazz musician's sax solo. Now comes the star of the show, 4 cups of cheddar cheese, shredded finer than a summer's day. Stir it in until it's as gooey and stringy as a cheesy romance novel. Mix in your cooked macaroni, and voila! You've created a dish that's more comforting than your grandma's hugs. Now here's a thought to nibble on. If you can make macaroni this good, imagine what else you're missing by not being subscribed to this channel. Food for thought, eh?